This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account is synced. This matters because server-side rules persist even if your client is closed. Open Outlook, desktop, or web, and go straight to Settings or File Info. Once there, locate Automatic Replies or Rules and Alerts. You do this first to identify whether the automatic reply was set in Exchange, Outlook, or via a mobile client. Why it matters is simple. Server-side replies need server access, while client-side only fires when Outlook. Now, locate the specific automatic reply entry. In Outlook Desktop, choose File Automatic Replies or Home Rules Manage Rules and Alerts. In Outlook Web, go Settings View all Outlook settings mail automatic replies or rules. Once found, inspect the message text and scope to understand why it triggered. Edit if you want to stop sending but keep the text. Delete if you want it fully removed. Make sure to check for matching inbox and send-side rules so nothing continues to send. Finish by saving your change, then restart Outlook so client-side settings reload. This confirms the rule no longer runs. If automatic replies still go out, make sure to inspect Exchange Web Access and any mobile or delegated accounts for the same rule, because server-side or delegated settings can reapply it. If you still see activity, clear cached rules with the Clean Rules tool or ask your administrator to remove server-side entries. This resolves most lingering automated send issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.